Here I have ALCATEL U5 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap apps icon, then find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose about phone. Afterwards, let's scroll down one more time. Here you have to find the build number. Let's tap a couple of times on build number, and as you can see, you are now a developer. So you can go back to previous list, and right here under regulatory and safety you've got developer options. Let's tap it. Here you can use, for example, the OEM unlocking, so we can enable OEM. Let me tap enable. You just allow the bootloader to be unlocked. You can also, for example, enable USB debugging right here, tap OK to confirm it, and that's it. You can use other developer features as well, and you may also go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.